Let's talk about the recently launched Realme smartphone 12x 5G with trendy watch design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.72 inches Full HD plus punch hole sunlight display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 91.4% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 392 ppi pixel density, 950 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel 26mm wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel 22mm depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel 26mm front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2. onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76.1 by 7.69 mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. And the color options: twilight purple, woodland green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with SuperVOOC 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme 12x 5G has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 11,999 Indian rupees, and 39,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $144, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 13,499 Indian rupees, and 44,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $162, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, and 49,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $180. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme 12x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.